everybody, thanks again for joining us in the El Yucateco kitchen. Today we're mixing a couple of new cocktails for you. We're mixing our Green Devil Margarita as well as the Electric Rodeo, which is featured in the House of Blues restaurants. So we're gonna get started with the Electric Rodeo first, and that is going to be 2 ounces of vodka, 4 ounces of orange Red Bull, 1.5 ounces of lemon juice. Today we're using our green El Yucateco. Comes in about 9,500 on a Scoville scale. We're gonna be adding about 3 dashes or so to that. Start out a little light if you're new to having habanero in your cocktails, and then heat it up to taste. And we're gonna stir and pour that into our glass, which we already have rimmed with tahini and garnished with a little bit of cucumber. That, everybody, is our Electric Rodeo, served all over the country in House of Blues restaurants as one of their signature drinks. Next up is going to be our Green Devil Margarita. So our Green Devil Margarita is a little different than a traditional margarita. There's no sour mix in it. We're going to start out with 2 ounces of tequila. Then we're going to add 1.5 ounces pineapple juice. Next we have 1.5 ounces of lime juice. And finally, 1 ounce of agave syrup. You can also use simple syrup, but we're using agave today. All that agave gets out of there. So that's what's gonna break up all of your lime juice. Make sure that you've got your blend correct. And lastly, we're gonna add a few dashes of our green El Yucateco hot sauce. This ranges about 9,500 on the Scoville scale. And obviously you're gonna wanna add it to taste for you and your guests. We're gonna put in about 3 dashes today. Then stir. And we're gonna pour it into our already garnished margarita glass. We have this one rimmed with tahini today. That is our Green Devil Margarita.